Okay, we just got to the Interalpen Hotel in Tyrol in Austria. This is like, I don't know, basic suite, like mountain view, whatever, 1-bedroom king. There's this little entryway. They give you a rose when you come in, which is cool. Let's start with the bathroom. I don't know, it has these cute little doors. They slide. I love a sliding door. There's a little heart here. This is very cute. Okay, inside looks pretty fire, I'm not gonna lie. Has a separate little toilet area, which is cute, and towel rack, a shower, like a real one, which honestly I'm like pretty stoked about because I feel like Switzerland had weird showers. Bathrobes, bathrobe. Nice sink, just single but no stress. Everything here looks really fun, I'm not gonna lie, like a little hairbrush. What is this? Shoe polish. Okay, that's not that fun, but work with me here. Little stuff that looks cool. One of these mirrors. And then the room is actually really beautiful, really big. Sorry, don't mind our luggage. Bed, full-length mirror over here. And then it has like this whole separate sitting room, which is so cute. TV, coffee. This chair is adorable. This like breakfast nook, I'm not sure, desk area, super cute. I've already helped myself to the water, heating, and then this is our view. Oh, sorry. Which honestly is pretty amazing. 2 chairs, balcony. This looks back here, and then yeah, this is pretty phenomenal, to be honest. Deck is pretty huge. Can't wait to have a beer out here. And yeah, that's the room. Oh, I guess there's lots of storage over here. I didn't really notice it on my first inspection. I opened these up. Nice big kind of wardrobes, which are always cute. I assume there's a safe in here, perfs. Extra pillows, love it. And yeah, a little bit of everything in here. It's super cute. 10 out of 10, would recommend. They've been amazing so far. You drive in on a carpet, it's very cool. Okay, that's it, that's all, bye.